Yeah, hi friends, this is Bakapa. So far you have seen how to create different API requests and how to write the API tests in the Postman, and also we have discussed how to run the Postman collections from the command prompt. In this chapter 8 of API testing tutorial, I will discuss how to install Jenkins, how to run Postman collections from the Jenkins. Then we will set the cron pattern for our Jenkins job. Then finally I will discuss how to generate the Newman advanced HTML report in the Jenkins. Firstly, I will discuss how to install the Jenkins. You can go to the YouTube channel and here you can find for the tester stock, and you can go to my channel and here you can go to the videos tab, and if you scroll down, so here you will find one tutorial explaining about how to install the Jenkins or how to set up the Jenkins. So don't worry about this link or the video. So I will provide this video link in the description of this below video. You can directly navigate there. So let's jump into our login page of Jenkins. So here I will log in into the Jenkins, and so before we go ahead and create the Jenkins job, we will prepare our bat file. So here I will go to my one of the location in my computer, and here I'll create the one text document, and I will open this text document. After that, so we have to specify the one command, that is, so we have already discussed how to run the Postman collections from the command prompt, right? So same command we are using in our bat file. So if you look at this particular command, so here I'm specifying the Newman followed by run, and after that we have specified our collections.json file, and after that -e, and followed by I have specified our environment variable JSON file. So simply I will copy this command. Just now what we have created a text document, so I'll paste it inside that. After that I will click on this file and I will do the save as, and here I'll select the all files, and after that in the double quotes I will specify the file name as Jenkins job1.bat. So basically here we are creating the Windows batch file, and I'll save it. So that's it. So if you look at here, we got the Jenkins job1 Windows batch file type, right? So we have created the Windows batch file. Let's go to our Jenkins. So here I'll click on new item, and here I'll specify the name of the item as booking API, and after that I will select the freestyle project and I'll click on OK. So that's it, and after that you can go to the build tab, and here you can click on this add build step, and here you can choose the execute Windows batch. So here we have to provide our bat file path, just now what we have created, right? So simply I'll copy this path. After that I will specify the file name as Jenkins job1.bat. So that's it, and click on apply and save it. So that's it. Let's go to our dashboard, and here we got our Jenkins job created. You can click on this job, and after that simply build now. And if you look at here, first Jenkins job is running. You can click on this particular job, and if you look at this one, all our APIs are getting executed, and here you are seeing some of the Unicode characters. So we'll see how to overcome this issue now. So if you look at this, our build status, it is success. All the APIs and respective tests are passing here, right? So this is how we can create the Jenkins job. So now I will discuss how to overcome this particular issue, right? So let's go to our bat file. So I will edit this particular bat file. So after the run, I will specify this particular line, that is a -- disable -Unicode. That means it will simply deletes, simply it will convert into the proper values instead of printing the unicode values. So that's it. So I have saved this particular bat file after editing it. So that's it. Let's go to the Jenkins now once again. Again, I will go to the booking API job and again I will build it. So if you look at here, our second Jenkins job is running. You can click on this job. And if you look at here, so our build is success. And also this particular table is also displaying what we have seen in the command prompt while executing. And all the APIs are getting executed and respective tests also getting executed properly, right? So this is how you can create the Jenkins job, and this is how you can execute the Postman collections from the Jenkins. Now let's start discussing about how to set the cron pattern or how to schedule the Jenkins job. So you can go to this google.com and you can search for cron wiki, and here you will find the cron Wikipedia. And if you go down, so basically this cron will be used for scheduling the Jenkins job. And if you come down in the overview section, and here you will find the 5 stars. So first star indicates minutes, and second star indicates hours, and third star indicates day of the month, and fourth star indicates the month, and fifth star indicates the day of the week. Sorry. So basically you can decide when you want to execute your Jenkins job, right? Let's go to our Jenkins job now. So we will schedule our booking API collection execution by using the cron pattern. You can go to the configure here, and inside this you can click on build triggers. So inside this build triggers, you'll find one option called build periodically, and here I'll specify 5 stars. So what I will do after specifying 5 stars, I want to execute my booking API job every minute. So that's the reason I will specify it as a 1 here. So in the first star, after that I will specify 1 forward slash, that is a by 1. That is nothing but, so this particular job will execute every minute. So let's apply it and save it, and we'll wait for the first run. So basically it will take the 1 minute of time. That is nothing but, for example, right now the time is 19:59. So it will execute exactly, if you look at here, at 8 p.m. the first job is running. If I go to this particular job, and here you'll see all the APIs are getting executed, and at the end you will see the success as the build status, right? Let's go back. The first run is on 8 p.m. and we'll wait for the fourth Jenkins job. So it should execute at 8:01. So this is very easy. You can try at your end, and also you can create the Jenkins job by installing the Node.js, and also you can execute the Newman directly in the Jenkins itself instead of creating the bat file, and also you can execute your Postman collections in the Jenkins. And if you look at here, at 8:01 another job is running, and also it is got completed. You can click on this particular job number, and you can click on the console job, and if you come down here, so you'll find the build status and also respective output also here. So this is how you can schedule the Jenkins job for the Postman collections execution from the Jenkins. So far you have seen how to install Jenkins and how to create the Jenkins job, and also I have discussed how to schedule the Jenkins job using the cron pattern. Now let's discuss how to attach the Newman HTML report into the Jenkins job after the build execution. So we have to add this particular command in the bat file. So after this adding this particular command till the environment variables, we have to specify ---- reporters equal to CLI, comma, then we have to add the HTML extra in the Windows batch file. Simply I will copy this one, and I will go back to our Windows bat file, and I will edit this particular bat file, that is Windows patch file, and at the end I will specify the -- reporters equal to CLI comma, and we'll specify HTML extra. That's it, and I will save it, and I will close this particular file. So that's it. Again, I will go back to the Jenkins now, and here I will simply click on build now, and there should be a 12th job running. I will click on this particular job now, and all our APIs and respective tests are running, and at the end we got the build success. And we can go back to our job, and here you can select the workspace here, and if you look at here, so there is a folder called Newman. You can click on this Newman, and if you look at here, so here you are finding the .html report. So you can directly click on this one and you can open it, but this report will be not so much visible properly, right? So what you can do, you can go to the Jenkins job and you can click on this all files in zip, so that it will download all your files, and simply I will open that particular zip file. So this is a zip file what we have downloaded just now, and I will open this file, and here we got the HTML report. Let's open this report, and if you look at this one, so same report we got it, right? So while executing the Postman collections from the command prompt, we are able to generate the Newman HTML report, and same we are able to generate HTML report after executing our Jenkins job. So this is how you can execute the Jenkins job for the Postman collections. So let's build it once again, and so here we will be able to see the another report. So based on the date and time, so there is a 13th job is running, and if you look at here, so let's refresh this page, and if you look at here, there is another report got added, that is 8/16. So whenever you execute, it will add all the reports into this particular folder, that is a Newman folder. So you can have the only latest HTML report. So for that you need to configure your Jenkins job a bit differently. You can go to the configuration of this Jenkins job, and after that you can go to the build environment. So inside this build environment, here there is one option. It will delete the old workspace before starting the current job. So you can select this first checkbox, that is delete workspace before build starts. That's it, and you can apply and save it. Now let's build this job again, and if you look at here, there is a 14th job is running. So after this execution, we should be able to see the only one HTML report inside the workspace. And if you look at this Newman folder, and here we are able to see the only one HTML report. So this is how you can create the Jenkins job for the Postman collections execution, and also you can generate the Newman HTML report in the Jenkins.